and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it you'll want to hit that subscribe button. I do have Ipsy PR today, so we're going to do 2 unboxings, and yeah, so I'm super excited to have this. It's been a minute since I've uploaded, so thank you guys for being patient with me. I've been working my ass off. Like, anyhow, that's not why we're here. All right, so here we go. This here, very glittery. This is the glam bag. It's $13 a month, and you get deluxe size samples, plus every now and then you get a full size item. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the 4, not 5 items that I have. By the way, I wanted to mention, did you guys notice that you know that you can skip a month with Ipsy? Well, 2 days before the 1st of November, I tried to go in to skip a month and I couldn't. It said I'd already been charged. I was not happy about that. Anyhow, I just wanted to mention that because I was wondering if that happened to anyone else. All right, let's see what we have. We have by Ahava Extreme Radiance Lifting Mask, and it says firming on the bottom. So here that is here. Doesn't look like there's a lot at all in that. All right, let's see what we have next. We have by Shades by Shan, the gel eyeliner. All right, let's see the color. The color is, oh, it's brown. I'll try to get you a nice close-up picture of that. Okay, that's pretty. All right, then by Dr. Brandt, a Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. So that's neat. Okay. Then the last thing we have What's Up Beauty. Have you heard of them? Because I haven't. I don't know who they are. We are getting a lot of new brands. I've noticed that. Oh, this is cute. Okay. So it's just a duo. You've got your matte and then you've got what looks to be a shimmer or glitter. Let's just swatch. These are pretty colors. Yeah, that glitter's kind of sheer. But there, that is there. So that's everything for the glam bag. Now we're going to move on to the Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'm kind of bummed I didn't get my 5th product. What did you guys get? Or let me know when you do. I'm curious. Alright, so here we are with Boxycharm. It looks like we have socks. Oh, wait a minute. Alright, so sometimes Ipsy throws stuff in here for their creators, like socks or maybe a bracelet I think I got one time. So, okay. I hope this is not one of my 5 items. Oh, these are really super soft. Everybody gets socks like this. You know, this time of year, they have them socks with aloe for like $1 at the dollar store, you know. And then it looks like there's some kind of bag. Is this for my socks? What does it say? Ipsy Creator Incubator. I'm definitely not going to use this. I want to know if any of you would. All right, next we have a pamphlet. It says Boxycharm. Does it tell me prices? If not, I'll put prices on the screen for you. And, oh, Rem Beauty or REM Beauty. I have been dying to try this. I did get the foundation and I was doing a review on it and now my skin's too light for it. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. It's got some weight to it. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at those colors. Oh, it says baby doll on the back, so I'm guessing that's the palette name. Wow, those are really pretty. Okay, I'm excited about that. What do we have next? And this is the one where it's like $30 a month, 5 full-size items. TYS Beauty Final Treat Hyaluronic Acid Infused Setting Spray. Okay, I can always use setting spray. Let's test her out. Ooh, she don't smell good. Whew, be forewarned. Okay, next. A Flawless. I have no idea how to pronounce this. Let's just go, it's by Dermalect. Retinol? No. Sentinel Ginger Root. I don't even know what this is. What does this do? A sensitive skin phyto cream targets the look of fine lines, dullness, and okay, so basically this is probably like a moisturizer or some type of, I don't know, skin cream that helps with wrinkles. Okay, so there's that. What else we have? by Ciate London Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. Plumping primer? Is this for lips? Plumping Face Primer. No. It's not for lips. Alright. Oh, okay. Hang on, hang on. There we go. Let's put some, see what it does. I guess it's supposed to fill in lines, hence plump. It should come out any day now. It's not. It's not. It's just... Oh, because it doesn't have a thingy. Doesn't it need a thingy? Great. Alright, so just be forewarned. You might not be able to use this. Alright, so... Honestly, it feels like a serum. And that's it. Okay. Alright, we've got one more item. What is this? A lip scrub. Oh, I love lip scrubs, especially this time of year because I have to constantly put moisturization on my lips. Otherwise, the cold wreaks havoc on them. This is by Lucky Chick. It's like chocolate, so it's like a sugary little kind of thingy. Alright, so let's just recap here. We got the lip scrub, the Dermalect cream, anti-aging, the face primer thingy with no plumper, no plastic pasty made, the Rem Beauty, and the Final Treat Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. Alright, tell me what you think. This is your time to talk to me down in the comments below. And would you use this? I just really want to know the answer to that. Let me know. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoy unboxings and all things beauty, I'm a mature skin lady, 45 years old. So yeah, you might want to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.